1 Minute Inspirations, Henry Street Church of Christ. The peace in forgiving. For if you forgive men their trespasses, your heavenly Father will also forgive you. But if you do not forgive men their trespasses, neither will your Father forgive your trespasses. Matthew chapter 6, verse 14 and 15. Forgiving others keeps us in the favor of God and causes him to forgive us when we do wrong. Also, we help ourselves by forgiving others. Forgiving others helps us to release anger, not become bitter, not worry, not obsess over the situation, rebuild a life that was torn down, and move on to happiness. Reclaim your life today. This is a ministry of the Henry Street Church of Christ, 309 Henry Street, Gadsden, Alabama, USA, 35901. www.henrystreetchurchofchrist.com. Please subscribe to our channel. God bless you.